Hi, I'm John Kosar from Asbury Research, and this is a preview to this week's Keys to this Week report for the U.S. stock market. This particular report is for the week of Monday, October 17th. I'd like to scroll right down to our charts. We have 10 keys, which are the 10 most important and influential market factors for the week. We actually go through them one by one, sort them in terms of near-term or intermediate-term positive or negative, and then we talk about each of them here. I want to get right to the accompanying charts because charts work so well in this venue. Last week, the one we talked about was near-term investor sentiment, which we said was negative, and we had to move lower last week. This week, the one that I want to focus on is right here. It has to do with ETF Asset Flows. The chart shows the total on assets invested in the PowerShares QQQs daily since May, along with their 21-day moving average. We use the 21-day moving average as a means to determine a monthly trend of either expansion or contraction. Up above, we have the NASDAQ 100 daily during the same time period. The PowerShares QQQ actually tracks the NDX. So here's the takeaway. First of all, our total net assets have been underneath the 21-day moving average since October 4th. It indicates a monthly trend of contraction. When we get contraction, it coincides with a move down in whatever the asset might be. You can see the most recent trend of contraction was basically right where I'm pointing from the beginning of June through the end of June. Effectively, the entire month of June, about mid-month, we got below the 21-day moving average and continued downward. Look what the NDX did during that time. That was the last significant move down that we had in the NASDAQ 100. Looks like we're rolling into that kind of a situation again. How do we get out of it? We got to get this blue line, which is the total net assets, back up above the 21-day. So we indicate a monthly trend of expansion as we had here between late June and mid to late August. Look at that beautiful uptrend that this caught. So these data are hard to get, but they're very valuable as they show you where the money's going. This is a way for us to follow the money. So bottom line, as long as these assets continue to contract, the NDX, which tends to lead the S&P 500, is going to be under near-term pressure. We'll talk about a new chart next week. Keys to this week is emailed to Asbury Research subscribers every Monday morning. It lists the 10 most important and potentially market-moving charts and data series for the upcoming week. It includes our near and intermediate-term outlook, as well as key buy and sell levels. It is also available on the Interactive Brokers platform. So look for it on the platform or phone customer service if you can't find it. The entire Keys to this Week report is available to Asbury Research subscribers, again, either via our website or through the IB platform. Interested investors can request a free sample of this week's report, and I believe there's a sample report for IB subscribers or IB traders right on the IB website. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next week.